I put vinegar on my feet and look what happened. You should know this trick. I'll show you everything that happens when you dare to put a spoonful of vinegar on your feet. Many do not know what this unusual trick is for, but I assure you that as soon as you know it, you will start doing it, and you will thank me forever. And as is my custom, before I tell you what it is for to pour vinegar on your feet, I will give you some other homemade tricks that you can do with vinegar, and that will be very helpful. I would also like to know from which country you are watching me, so I can say hello at the end of the videos. Vinegar tricks. Number 1. Undress clothes without the need for an iron. You just have to mix a tablespoon of white vinegar and 3 tablespoons of water in a container. Spray the clothes with this mixture, and in a few minutes you will have the clothes very smooth. This is ideal for camping days or for those who do not like ironing. Number 2. Remove difficult stains to the pots. If you cooked and the pot burned, you can avoid this by using vinegar. In the burnt pot, add a cup of white vinegar and a cup of water and then bring to a boil for 10 minutes. Then let it cool and wash as usual. It will be like new. Number 3. Unclog your glasses. If the glasses are dirty, you can spray them with a little vinegar. Then dry with a microfiber towel and they will be shiny. Before continuing, I invite you to make this video reach someone who could be of help. Number 4. Make a fly trap. Vinegar is very good for attracting flies. Fill a cup with apple cider vinegar and then cover with plastic wrap. Make some holes with a knife. After a few hours, the flies will enter and will not be able to leave. Number 5. Remove the bad smell from the tap. After removing the papers, there is a bad smell in the bathroom. Pour a tablespoon of vinegar into a loaf of bread and then place it at the bottom of the tap for 12 hours. You will notice that the smell will go away completely. Number 6. Remove marks from the walls. If you have children at home and they scratch the walls with crayons, vinegar is a good cleaner. Just spray the area scratched with white vinegar and let it sit for a minute. Then remove the dirt with a towel or rag. Number 7. Remove the smell of moisture from the clothes. When washing, you can prevent the clothes from smelling bad from moisture. Before tending it, spray with a little vinegar and it will never smell of moisture. The best thing is to disinfect the clothes and keep the color for longer. You do not have to worry about the smell of vinegar since the sun removes all the smell. Now we come to the star trick of the video. The feet accumulate the most amount of stress we have. That is why, as time goes by, they begin to get hard and scratchy. Vinegar is an excellent soothing and relaxing foot cream. You just have to put them in a bucket of warm water and then apply a cup of vinegar. Let it sit for 15 minutes a day and the feet will relax a lot. And the best of all is that it removes the fungus and the athlete's foot.